A very warm good morning to everyone. It's me Vedika Agrawal, an interviewer for today, and I'm going to take 4 interviews today. So, starting up with our first interview, we have Mr. Deepak Kumar Jana, Vice Principal Activity and ECA, Yanda Academy, Birganj, Nepal. And my first question to him is, do you believe that all mistakes are forgivable?
Good morning, everyone. Grade 11 has given me questions to answer today, and the first question is, do I believe that all the mistakes are forgivable? Well, it's a good question. I think that everybody in this world makes mistake, and the person who accepts his or her own mistake is the bravest one. And being a teacher or friend or family or parent, we should forgive that person or give second chance, because we want that person to improve, not to commit the same mistake again, and to become a better one.
And my next question is, in a world, not all people have same nature. Few changes themselves if you forgive, but few don't. Then how do you recognize person to be forgived or not forgived?
After forgiving also few people change and few don't, then how should we decide which person to be forgiven and which person should not be? Well, I think that we cannot decide whether we should forgive that person or not, with the result that the person will change it or not. We always hope that the person is going to change that attitude or not going to repeat the same action and going to introspect a lot and to be a better human being. And always that depends on that person who is forgiven. So let's hope for the best. If someone comes across who has made any mistake, let's forgive them and hope that the person is going to be a better one, because everybody makes mistake, and even we all make mistakes, and we deserve a second chance. Thank you.
Next we have Mrs. Jagrati Mishra, Vice Principal Academics, Gyanda Academy, Birganj, Nepal. And my questions to her are, do you believe that all mistakes are forgivable?
आपका पहला प्रश्न है कि क्या आप मानते हैं कि सभी गलतियों को माफ़ किया जा सकता है? तो मेरे अनुसार माफ़ी मिल सकती है। छोटी मोटी गलतियों की, बड़ी बड़ी गलतियों की भी माफ़ी मिल सकती है, क्षमा किए जा सकते हैं। वो भूल जो हमारे आम दिनचर्या में रोज़ होते हैं हमारे साथ। कभी हम किसी से गुस्सा हो गए, किसी से हमने कड़वे बोल दिए, इससे भी कुछ अधिक हो सकता है। किसी से हमारा लड़ाई झगड़ा हो गया, तो इन गलतियों को माफ़ी दी जाती है। लेकिन उन गलतियों का क्या, जहाँ पर मानवता शर्मसार हो जाती है, जहाँ पर मनुष्य पशु का रूप ले लेता है। आए दिन आप लोग समाचार में देखते होंगे, सुनते होंगे, पढ़ते होंगे कि कैसे किसी ने किसी की हत्या कर दी, किसी युवक ने किसी लड़की का बलात्कार कर दिया। बहुत सारे ऐसे जघन्य अपराध होते रहते हैं। तो क्या कानून उनको क्षमादान देता है? नहीं देता है। जो अपराधी होते हैं, जो उस अपराध में संलिप्त होने वाले लोग होते हैं, उनको दंड दिया जाता है, क्षमादान नहीं दिया जाता। क्योंकि जो आगे हैं, उनके बाद आने वाली जो पीढ़ी है, उनके बाद आने वाले लोग हैं, ऐसी गलतियों को करने से डरे। एक दो बार सोचे कि इन गलतियों के लिए कभी माफ़ी कहीं से भी नहीं मिलेगी। तो मेरे अनुसार कुछ अपराध ऐसे होते हैं जिनको माफ़ी नहीं दी जानी चाहिए, और मैं दे भी नहीं सकती हूँ ऐसे अपराधियों को क्षमा।
And my question number 2 is there any incident in your life where you could just forgive a person but you couldn't for some reasons?
आपका दूसरा प्रश्न था, क्या आपके जीवन में कभी ऐसी घटना घटी है जहाँ उस व्यक्ति को आप क्षमा कर सकते हैं पर किसी कारणवश नहीं कर सके? तो नीति कहता है, क्षमा वीरस्य भूषणम, अर्थात जो क्षमा है वो वीरों का आभूषण है, कायरों का नहीं। और हम जो साधारण मनुष्य हैं, जो गृहस्थ से जुड़े हुए हैं, शायद हमारे अंदर उतनी महानता नहीं होती है। कितनी बार हमारे साथ ऐसा होता है, सामने वाले ने गलती की, उसको अपनी गलती का एहसास है, हमने भी मान लिया कि हाँ उसने अपनी गलती का एहसास कर लिया है, वो हमसे क्षमा प्रार्थी है, लेकिन चाहकर भी हम लोग क्षमा नहीं कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर पाते हैं। मेरे साथ भी बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है। और उस समय क्या होता है कि जो हमारा ईगो होता है, जो हमारा घमंड होता है, जो हमारा अहम होता है, वो आड़े आ जाता है। हमारे मन में एहसास होते हुए भी कि हम उसको क्षमा कर सकते हैं, हम नहीं कर पाते हैं। तो ये तो मानव जनित जो व्यवहार है वो मेरे अंदर भी है। तो बहुत बार मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने चाहते हुए भी कभी कभी किसी को क्षमा नहीं किया होगा। थैंक यू।
Moving on, we have Mrs. Sandhya Vasist, academic head, and my questions to her are: question number 1, do you believe that all mistakes are forgivable?
Good morning to one and all present. You asked me questions. The first one, do you believe that all the mistakes are forgivable? Yes, I do believe that all mistakes are forgivable because to err is human, to forgive is divine. So I will forgive the person who has done any mistake.
Question number 2, will you be able to forgive a person who have tried to harm your family member intentionally? If no, how could you say that all mistakes are forgivable?
The second question you asked me, will you be able to forgive a person who has tried to harm your family member intentionally? Yes, it is truly difficult to forgive a person who has harmed your family, who has inflicted pain upon your family. But I will forgive that person because the weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of a strong person, and I feel that I am a strong person because I practice love, prayer, and forgiveness. For me, kindness and forgiveness are the highest form of virtues which everybody should practice. Because if you forgive a person, in fact, you are freeing yourself from the shackles of pain, and internally you are always in anguish. So forgive a person and be happy. Thank you.
Last but not the least, we have Mrs. Sneha Chaurasia, class teacher of grade 11, and my questions to her are: question number 1, what is your view on forgiveness?
Good morning, one and all present here. So, what I believe is that if one admits their mistake, as the mistakes are sometimes intentionally or unintentionally, so if someone admits their mistake and asks for the forgiveness, yes, definitely I will be forgiving them. Why not? You know what forgiveness gives us? It gives us the time, it gives us the feeling of going on, moving on. So the life is about moving on. So when we think we have to forgive, sometimes some mistakes are not forgivable. We think that we cannot forgive that person. If someone is hurting you, if someone has definitely hurt your family, if someone has definitely hurt your emotions, your feelings, in that scenario you feel that I am not able to forgive that person. But if you are forgiving, you are the person with the great heart. You are the person with the great admiration. You are the person with the great feeling of moving on. So, if someone asks forgiveness from me, it means he or she is asking he or she is also just admitting their mistakes. So why not to forgive them? Why not to give them a second chance? Giving second chance is not a bad. It is a very good deal.
And my question number 2 is there any incident in your life where you apologized a person but were not forgiven by?
Wow, wonderful. So you asked the question which was very close to my heart the very day I heard the theme of the assembly, forgiveness. Yes, I admitted when I was a child, I admitted my mistake to one of my very good friend. But what happened? He didn't admit. He didn't forgive me because he thought that I was wrong. But for your good note, after several years, when we have a reunion, in that reunion, I didn't have to say anything. Rather, he came up and said that I am sorry. You were right. You were the person who guided me and you wanted me to be in the good path. Sorry for everything. Instead of giving me forgiveness, he asked and he apologized me for not forgiving me. Thank you and have a wonderful day, everyone. Stay healthy, stay safe.
Lastly, I would like to thank all the teachers for giving their precious time in this interview and enlightening us with their beautiful words.